Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have found something. This is a compute reader service card. Business reply mail. No postage required. Oh, it's like four of them. And this is kind of a sore spot for me because you see, long ago I was involved in sales and stuff at a computer store. And we advertised in a short number of magazines. I think we used to refer to these as bingo cards because what would happen is if it was something you're interested in, you would circle it. And then that company that paid a whole lot to advertise in the magazine would get a printout. And then you were kind of expected to, or benefit from the event, express an interest in you. So maybe send them a catalog or something. And way back when, we did have I think it was called a third-class mailing thing, which meant it didn't cost much to mail things. But somehow the people I worked with, who happened to be family at the time, just didn't see the value in reaching out to people who were interested in what we did. Anyway, now there were people who, I'm sure, just circled every little number, and stuff, and you couldn't tell because from the magazine you would just get the thing. And I always thought, at minimum, these names and addresses and things should be entered into the database, so that then when we do the next mailing, we can just pop them out, way to go. Or, I mean, if we didn't want to do that, then the labels could be stuck on to the catalog. I don't know, that would be too much work. Heavens, we don't want to, sell things. Anyway, as I said many times, the best thing about working with your family is that you're working with your family. And the worst thing about working with your family is that you're working with your family. And there were so many times when, for example, let me tell you a little story. We would order blank discs, mostly Amiga discs, but also for the Commodore 64. And we would order 50 at a time. There was no discount for ordering more than 50 at a time. And we pretty much needed maybe about 50 a week. So it made sense to just have an ongoing thing where, okay, every week just send us another 50 discs. But somebody, who I will not say the name of, decided to, well, you know what, we should really tie up a whole bunch of money in discs that we don't really need yet. And there was no discount, nothing at all. The shipping was free, so it didn't matter. So they ordered, I don't know how many thousands of discs. Didn't tell me. Because I would say, whoa, what are you doing? Did you get a discount on that? No. That's brilliant. That's great. Anyway, and then of course, to my charming, at the time, wife, she said, oh well, we have to, he has to be able to make mistakes so he can learn. I said, you know what? We have to talk about these things to prevent mistakes that we've already learned. Remember, I said, we have to be sure to be careful, but be careful to be sure. Like, anyway. Yeah. Working with your family is great. Working with your family is also a challenge. So here is a compute reader service bingo card, and there are 3 of them. And the thing of it is you would go through the magazine, and each ad had a corresponding number to the bingo card. So you could circle one, and you could circle a whole bunch. I wonder what would happen right now, if I were to pop one of these in the mail. Compute reader service, P.O. Box 1174, Philadelphia, PA 19101. I don't know, and I don't think I'll try. Anyway, thanks for coming to the TV room. Have a lovely, lovely day. Let's see what else we find in this rather beat up banker's box. Bye for now.